Hakka Mantis courses. Enroll and download your membership certificate. Your annual membership with Hakka Mantis Boxing International allows access to all online Hakka Mantis courses. Your membership will not automatically renew every year. You must manually renew your membership. There are two types of certificates Hakka Mantis Boxing International issues: the annual membership certificate and a training certificate for each course taken. Perhaps it is best to first enroll and download your membership certificate before taking any courses. To enroll, you can click the Enroll Now button on any page. The annual cost of membership is a nominal and symbolic $35.79. After clicking the Enroll Now button, you will be taken to checkout. Enter the required billing details. And at the bottom click and read our terms and conditions, our terms of service. They are standard for online learning portals. Afterwards, click that you accept the terms and conditions and then place your order by PayPal. You can use a credit or debit card even if you don't have a PayPal account. And you may also use PayPal credit for no payments or interest for 6 months. Just follow the on-screen instructions. You won't see Chinese unless you are in China. You'll see English. Here you can apply for the PayPal credit 6 months no payment or interest. After your order is complete, click Return to the merchant and you will be returned to your profile page. Now your profile will show you the number of days remaining until your annual membership expires. Below this will be a clickable list of all the courses that you take. Here are the details of your order and any pertinent notes regarding it. You can find your certificate for download here in the blue links. Or you can click My Orders and there will be a list of all your available downloads. You may also click on each order number to review their details again. From here you may click the back button or else click your profile tab. Now you can download and review your annual membership certificate. You can just click here the download file annual membership certificate link from your order details or under My Orders, and download your certificate. It is a PDF file. Some browsers may auto-download, look in your download folder. And some browsers may ask you to open or save the file. Click Save File and then locate your certificate members download PDF in your download folder. Congratulations on your membership. Open the PDF and follow the instructions exactly as outlined. You can frame and display your certificate boldly. Next you can choose a course to train. Go to the Step 3 Take a Course video tutorial now.